Many people think design styles are only labels: modern, Scandinavian, farmhouse, organic, modern. But styles are much more useful than that. A design style gives a room direction. Without a clear direction, it's easy to fill a room with pieces that look attractive individually but don't work well together. A style helps you make better decisions about colors, materials, furniture, lighting, and decor. And that's why understanding styles can make designing your home much easier. In the previous chapter, we explored the basic elements and principles of design. Now we're going one step further, because every design style is built from those same building blocks: colors, materials, furniture shapes, textures, lighting, and the way those elements work together creates the feeling we recognize as a style. Classic and traditional interiors focus on comfort, balance, and timeless beauty. You'll often see symmetrical layouts, elegant furniture, warm materials, layered textiles, and familiar details. These spaces feel welcoming, refined, and designed to last. Transitional design sits between traditional and modern. It combines the comfort of classic interiors with the simplicity of modern design. The result feels balanced, approachable, and very suitable for real homes. Modern design focuses on simplicity and function. Furniture is usually clean-lined. Decoration is reduced. The beauty comes from proportion, materials, and thoughtful choices rather than visual complexity. Contemporary design reflects what feels current today. It often borrows ideas from different styles while keeping the overall space clean, fresh, and updated. Mid-century modern combines simplicity with personality. Warm wood furniture, clean forms, and distinctive shapes create spaces that feel relaxed, functional, and full of character. Scandinavian design focuses on simplicity, comfort, and practicality. Light colors, natural materials, and functional furniture help create spaces that feel bright, calm, and easy to live in. Japandi combines Japanese simplicity with Scandinavian warmth. The style feels calm, intentional, and highly edited, with every piece serving a clear purpose. Minimalism is not about empty rooms. It's about removing what is unnecessary and focusing on what truly supports the purpose of the space. Industrial design celebrates materials such as metal, wood, brick, and concrete. The result feels practical, textured, and full of character. Modern farmhouse combines country warmth with modern simplicity. It feels comfortable, familiar, and relaxed while remaining clean and functional. Organic modern combines modern simplicity with the warmth of nature. Natural materials, soft shapes, and layered textures help create spaces that feel calm and welcoming. Modern luxury focuses on quality rather than excess. Beautiful materials, thoughtful lighting, and careful proportions create rooms that feel elevated and sophisticated. Remember, the goal is not to memorize styles, and it's not about fitting your home into a perfect category. Styles are simply tools. They help you recognize patterns, understand what works together, and make decisions with more confidence. For a deeper explanation of each style, including materials, colors, furniture characteristics, and common mistakes to avoid, be sure to read Chapter 3 carefully before moving to the next chapter.